Yeah, we had some specific game plans and a scheme for tonight that we wanted to put into place, and I feel like for the most part we did a really good job of executing our game plan. There's lulls for us that we've got to work on for 2 or 3 minutes at a time, but for the most part we came out and we impressed our defensive fingerprints at the beginning of the game, and that was the priority this entire now.
We're taking it one game at a time with Point Loma. We're just going to get into our scouts as best as possible. We've been talking about that, getting into our scouts more, watching more clips, just knowing what we're doing, knowing the game plan, and then just execute.
Yeah!